I teach the GPS program for Local 4. What they learn here at the training facility, they implement that on their own jobs, and the feedback and the response from their employees is incredible.
There's about 110 apprentices roughly, and journeymen each year can be anywhere from 60 to 120. We integrate the classroom, the simulator, in the field training and crawl, walk, run phase. Crawl being introduction to the simulator, to the graphics, what they may see in the machine, and then they'll do a walk phase, operating it, learning how to interact with the simulator, and utilizing the technology in the machine.
The first time I used Trimble was on a dozer, and I found it very easy to understand. Maybe took 10 minutes for me to get a rundown of how to use it, and from there I was ready to go.
My first reaction to running a machine with GPS was that it was like the machine took over. You just had to steer it, operate it, manage the material in front of the blade, but it just started going up and down, and it was pretty amazing.
When I first saw it, it looked like a plan on a piece of paper that you could see the bulldozer and where you were at. The more I used it, the more I started liking it, and the more I didn't have to worry about stakes.
Learning on CAT equipment and having the Trimble technology helps us prepare because it gives us the opportunity down here to make mistakes. And with those mistakes, gives us the opportunity to learn. And it's in a controlled setting, there's no chaos, it really helps.
Trimble is a technology company, and they're continually pushing the envelope. And what they want to do is wrap their arms around the whole construction process, from bidding to estimating to pre-construction information, and then implementation in the field, and then after implementation, bringing that information back to give it to the owners, to give it to the stakeholders of the projects.
I felt more comfortable and confident in the cab with the GPS guidance, knowing that I am carrying the grade as I should be.
I feel more confident going onto the job with the GPS knowledge.
So it's just making the operator a little bit more efficient, and all you have to worry about is controlling your material.
They operate it here and train on it here. They may be on the same exact machines for the contractors that following week.
Once you get the grasp of it, it is going to make your life so much easier. You become much more valuable, much more employable.
I believe this training does make me a competitive operator against more seniored operators out there. It gives me a chance.
The goal of the training programs is to impart the best knowledge that we can with the best technologies we can with Trimble through Milton CAT to our students, to our journeymen, to make sure that they constantly succeed, strive, and be the best in the industry.
The Milton CAT facility opening in Stoughton has been a huge benefit to the training center. It's about 10 minutes away, so from hydraulic hoses to parts pickups, things that we need available, especially on Saturdays, our heavy training day, we're able to go over there and keep the machines up and running and keep the apprentices and journeymen training in the seat what they come here for.